Okay guys, so in this video we are going to study about. Alright guys, you studied about logic gates, right? So in this video we are going to study how the logic gates. Okay, so how logic gates are functions that you know, right? So you are studied about OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, right? Basic logic gates you studied. So in those functions we can't implement, right? So we can identify using a software. Okay, we can identify those with a software named, that name is a, what is that name? Logic software. Okay, that is called as logic software. So means multimedia. Okay, means multimedia logic software, right? Okay, so that software is you can easily download from the internet. Okay, so it is a free of charge, so totally it's a free of cost. Okay, so first you need to go to your browser, whatever your browser is using. So go to your browser and search it logic software free download, and click the first link you receive, and there you go, you can download from easy, right? Okay, I already download software. Okay, I already installed software and do some projects. But here, this is the interface of logic when you open this software, right? Okay, so here's the thing, we need to identify the interface of a software. Okay, so this is wait, this is some easily you can interact with. So here we can do some circuits. Okay, like this. So first we need to identify the interface, right? Yes, the how we can identify. So yes, this is the, here you can see file, edit, set, draw, simulate, view, window, and help, like that. Okay, so this is the bar called, this bar is called as what? Menu bar. Okay, this is the menu bar. Okay, so here you can see the cut the thing, and like that. Okay, so you can full view the link, click the button, right? So now this is the menu bar. Okay, right? So then this is the toolbar. Okay, this bar is called as toolbar. So this is white, in white color they it is showed menu bar, and here below of that bar it is toolbar, right? Okay, so now menu bar, toolbar, and here you can see the some things. Okay, so this is the to create new project, and this is for option for open project, and this is save project, and cut, paste, copy, like that. Okay, so this symbol is for to open and close the toggle palette. Okay, this palette is called toggle palette because why? Because we can toggle it around anywhere we want. Okay, we can move that palette, right? We can move that palette, so that's why that is called as toggle palette. Okay, this is not a standard palette, this is a toggle palette. Okay, right? And here's the toggle palette view, right? And here comes, okay, in here they showing the some of the things. Okay, so this is the play and stop and pause, and yes, uh, reset simulation and stop simulation, like that. Okay, so this is the run control buttons. Okay, this is the control buttons. And now yes, the zoom out and zoom in. Okay, zoom out and zoom in things. Okay, for this what is this minus and plus? Minus and plus means to enter a page. Okay, to create the page, to create a page, create a new page, we click the plus icon. Okay, where is what is the page number? Now we are here. What is the page number? Now we are in this page. What is this page? What is the number of page? Here you can see the number of page. Okay, page 7. Okay, page number 7. Okay, we are in the 7th page. So in the plus icon, when I click the plus icon, we move it to the page number 8. See, page number 8. Okay, right, we go to the previous page. Okay, we are going to the previous page, page number 7. So in here comes, okay, in here you can see the palette. Okay, in palette they have the many options. Okay, many options basically in the like logic gates. Okay, so where is the this is the first one is selector. Okay, this is a selector. Okay, it is a pointer, so it is called as selector to select the items that you in the window. Okay, so this is the window, so it is selectors for select the objects in the windows. Okay, and then this is the wire. Okay, this is the wire. Wire is for connecting the gates. Okay, connecting the gates. So this is the wire, and third one is node. Okay, node is for, yeah, that is a port. Okay, to connect the port, so that is why you use the port or node. Okay, like, and here's the thing, we have the AND gate. Okay, we have the AND gate, and here's another gate, OR gate. Okay, our OR gate. See, cool, right? And this is the XOR gate. Okay, so this gate is not in your syllabus, but in A level students can identify this because it's a A level thing. Okay, it is the combinational logic gates XOR gate. Okay, like this, it will come as this. Okay, it is not in our syllabus, so we don't need that. And then this is the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Okay, these are the gates we studied. Okay, yes, and then we have the switch here. Okay, this is the switch. See, this is the switch, fourth line. Okay, line number 4, first column. Okay, okay, fourth row, first column is this is the switch, like this. Okay, we can add it 0 or 1s. Okay, 0 means off, 1 means on. Okay, like that. And this is the buzzer. Okay, this is the buzzer symbol. And here's the thing, another LED. Okay, this is the LED, this is LED. Okay, so these are the things you mostly we use. These are the things. Okay, we have the selector, wire, node, and AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate here. Okay, NOT gate, and LED here, and switch, buzzer. Okay, so these are the things we want to identify, right? Okay, so next we want to here's the thing, basically we have the first we need to add a NOT gate, right? We will add a NOT gate. Okay, then we will want to move it. Okay, then we want to move this NOT gate. Okay, we move this NOT gate, so I will move this. Okay, click this and move. No, okay, no, why? We will try another time. Click this and move. No, what will happen? What is happening? The gates pop up, right? When I click this button, the gates are pop up because I selected the NOT gate here. Okay, I selected the NOT gate here. That's why I pop up the, when I click the button, it will pop up not gate. Okay, so when I want to select, I want to click the selector, that then I can select this gate, and in keyboard we have the delete key, so I click the delete key and deleting the unnecessary gates. Okay, like this. Okay, so yes, the easiest thing. Okay, when you want to select, we want to select the selector option, not the other options. Okay, clear? Okay, now we want to select all the things, so I drag the all the things up, and it will select all the things and just delete these things, right? Okay, so we first need to get the first simple LED function. Okay, simple LED function. So we added the LED light, we know LED light, and this is the switch, and this is node, and this is the wire. Okay, this is the wire, and now you can see the output in here. Okay, so this is in the off mode. Okay, so when I click the how to run this code, okay, how to run this program, how to run this program, we have the controls in here. So I click the run simulation. Okay, when I click the run simulation, it will run it. Okay, see, these are the cycle, so the cycle is running. Okay, so when I click the switch on, when I switched on the button, okay, it will lighten up. Okay, when I switch off, it will lighten off, right? This is the basic program. Okay, simple LED program simulation, right? Okay, so now I want to stop this program, it is still running. Okay, so I am stop this program. To stop this button, I want to click the this square shape. Okay, to pause the simulation, I want to click the this button. Okay, so I am stop this program. Okay, then okay, now we go to the second simulation. Okay, we are going to the second simulation. In here we have the a little bit complex. Okay, all the way we are going to complex problems. Okay, all the steps are going to when the another step is going to more complex than the previous step. Okay, right, it is easy. Yeah, just think easy, it will be easy. Okay, first, what is this program? This is also the basic LED function, but in here we have added the not gate here. Okay, we have added the not gate. So not gate is basically, it is reversing option. Okay, when you give 1, it will give the 0. If you give the 0, it will give the 1, right? Yeah, so then first we want to run this program, we will run this program. Okay, so it is running. I will switch on this, I will switch on. What will happen? The switch is off, sorry, the light is off. When I switch off, it will lighten up. Okay, so when it is 0, that means off, it is on. When it is on, it will off. Okay, because why? There is the hero. Okay, hero villain. So here's the not gate. Okay, is some complex brain out of that. Okay, that's why. So we are going to the third type of simulation. Okay, third type of simulation. Yes, the thing, we have the we are going to choose two inputs. Okay, two inputs. So basically it is a OR gate or not AND gate. Okay, so what is this gate? What is this gate? AND gate. Okay, what is this gate is called AND gate. And in AND gate we have the two options, two inputs. So one switch and two switch. Okay, first and second switch, and yes, the output is shown as the LED light. Okay, right. So if you press one switch, will it lighten up? When I click one switch on, the bulb will lighten up or not? No, right? We want to switch on the both switch. Okay, we want to switch on the both switches, then then it will light up. Okay, then it will lighten up. If it is not, all the switches are down, not gonna happen. Okay, right. So this is the AND gate operation. Okay, both inputs are wants to satisfy, then it will come the output, or else not. Okay, so now we are going to the what, first or second or third, right? This is the third simulation, so we are going to the fourth simulation, right? So here's the fourth simulation. So in here we have the what gate, OR gate. Okay, so OR gate. In OR gate we have the two inputs, so first switch and second switch. Okay, so in OR gate, what is the output will given? Okay, what are the what is the when output is 1, what are the inputs will be? Huh? If you want to be output will 1, what are the inputs will be? Huh? All the inputs, so just one input can also fulfill the output. Okay, so when I click the one switch, okay, it will light up. Okay, so when I switch down, light will off. Okay, when I switch on the two switches, okay, when I switch off the two switches like this, okay, same, the light will on. Okay, light will on. Okay, so in OR gate, one output is okay to satisfy the output. Okay, in OR gate, one output is enough to satisfy. Okay, but in AND gate, both inputs wants to satisfy. Okay, right. So basically OR gate is a boy. Okay, like a boy. For boy, he can one choice is enough. Okay, AND gate is like a girl, it is more complex. So in AND gate, both choices wants to fulfill, then it will start to work. Okay, if it is not, it is not going to work. Okay, like that. Okay, so OR gate is like a boy. Okay, so it is basically they are give us. Okay, so they are giving the choice, one choices to others. Okay, okay, coming back to the chapter. So we are going to the fifth simulation. Okay, fifth simulation, little bit more complex. Okay, little bit more complex and advanced, right? Here we have the more gates. Okay, we will change this gate, right? We will change this gate into a AND gate, so it will comes same all the gates like that. Okay, so we will change this gate to the OR gate, AND gate. Okay, AND gate. So AND gate, we want to select the AND gate and click the AND gate here and go to the wire. Okay, go to the wire option and click through this. Okay, click through this and connect it. Okay, right, and click through this and connect this. Okay, and click through this and connect here. Okay, so here when I run the simulation, Okay, when I run the simulation. Okay, so what is happening already when all the switches are off and all the switches are down, the light is on. Okay, the light is already on. Okay, so when I switch on this, okay, switch on this, okay, oh this, oh this, like this. Okay, so why when the switch is up, the bulb will not lighten up. Okay, it is not gonna light on because why, there is a villain here. Okay, so this is the not gate. Okay, so the not gate is going to uh, lighten up when all the input is going to 0. Okay, all the input is going to be 0. So here's the thing, uh, like that. Okay, so 0 0 in OR gate it is also 0. Okay, so yes, that comes as 0. And oh wait, yes, the already same gate, right? OR gate also like that, right? So it is not going to work. Okay, yeah, it is a AND gate. Okay, it is AND gate. Okay, we didn't changed. Yeah, so first we need to, I will delete this gate. Okay, I will delete this gate. Hmm, why? Okay, we will delete this gate. Okay, where is the AND gate? Here. Okay, AND gate, and go to the wire options and move to the wire here and here. Wait, okay, right, but the same output as the begin, like that. But here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. When this is the 0, okay, then it is a 0, then this is the 1. Okay, but here's the AND gate, so both inputs wants to satisfy, so it is not going to satisfy, so output is going to be 0. So if it is a 0 in to the villain not gate, so it will give the output as 1, so the bulb is on. Okay, right, so I'll stop this program, and this is the programs. Okay, so here's the another program. Okay, we have to switch, we have to connect the wires. Okay, we have to connect the wires, so I click the wires and connect through this. Just watch. Okay, so if you have any computer, okay, computer or PC, okay, if your computer or laptop, uh, you can download this logic software, you can do these questions. Okay, so you can play it through this, like that. Okay, so I'm going to run this simulation, and yes, the we have the not gate here. Okay, so if it is 0, if it going to 1, okay, 1, so 1 is going to 1, and 1 is, if 1 it is going to be 0. Okay, so I will switch on this, switch up. Okay, it's going to light on. Okay, so these are the programs, like, okay, so these are the simulations, and that's all. So you can use this, you can use this, and here's the palette. Okay, so palette in here, selector, wire, node, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, so buzzer and text, like that. Okay, so you can, so these are the programs. So I already did these programs when I, okay, in the books. we have the books. Okay, we have the books, so you can see through this simulations and run through that. Okay, or I you can watch this video, or you can connect with me and do the work like that. Okay, it is very fun. Yeah, so we have the activity 5.5. okay, in workbook, this is a workbook, not a reading book. Okay, so activity 5.5, arrange the circuits shown as below using logic software. So tabulate the input and output the in the space provided. So in here you can, so this is the first, this table is for first question, this table is for second question. Okay, this table is for third question. Okay, this is for this question. Okay, so you have to input the numbers, so 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1 like that, and then take the output. Okay, if it is 1, if it is going to be 0, so 0 0, it is going to be 0. So if it is 0, so it is going to be 1. Okay, like that you want to extract the all the output like that. Okay, so if it is a 3 inputs, okay, if it is 3 inputs, you have to you have to get the power table. And power table means like that, you 2 into 2 into 2 like that. Okay, so if you three inputs, so if you want to uh, how many inputs will given, so 2 by 3 is 8. Okay, 2 by 3 is 8. 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so 2 power 3 is 8. So there's the 8 outcomes will going to come. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 and 4 2 0 2 ones and 1 0 1 ones like that. Okay, if it is 4 inputs, okay, if it is 4 inputs, so it is going to be 2 4. So okay, 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 2 power 4 is 16. Okay, so 2 power 4 is 16. 16 input outcomes will comes. Okay, so 8 zeros, 8 ones, and 4 zeros and 4 ones, and 2 zeros and 2 ones, and 1 ones and 1 zeros. Okay, so first you need to get the zeros, and then it will come 1. Okay, for 0 0 0 0 like that, and 1 1 1 1 like that. Okay, so fill this chart. Okay, fill this chart, and if you have any doubts, message me. Okay, so I include the number in description. Okay, so you can whatsapp me, so I can message you. Okay, so I hope this session is you study, this session will helpful for you. I hope you understand this very much, and if you have any doubts, please comment. If you have any suggestions, please comment through this, so I can read it, or I can change the way I teach, or like that, or I can say the many things that I want to share with you like that. Okay, okay, so thank you, bye.